Hey guys, I'm very, very, very excited to announce the Cat Ninja project I've been working on. Let's just have a look. Ignore that. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? That was pretty easy too. How cool is that, man? Oh, whoopsies. Oh, how sick is that? I'm so, so, so happy with that. I'm pretty stoked. Okay, so what you need to do, you can check out my properties I'm using here. I don't think this matters. Platform, Flash player, compilation type, application, play external player. SDK, I'm using Air 50.2.4. I think you're using a Flex. Air seemed to work for me. I don't know what any of that means. I don't know what any of that means. Um, Now, the most important thing to do is to use a debugger. Um, Adobe Flash Player with debug. Let's see if I've got it open. Adobe Flash Player debugger. Resume your journey. So you need to download this here. I'll chuck the link in Discord, I suppose. I mean, I'm already on it. That's what I've been testing with. And the reason for that is you get little error messages and stuff if you fudge something up in the code. No, not that one. Chuck it there. You'll need that. I don't know where to get the Air SDK from. I forgot because I did this a year ago. Yeah, so I'll show you what the debugger does. If I just go to main. I just want to go to main. If I like delete some of this crap here. I don't really want to do that actually. I really don't want to do that. If I just delete this, I can just cut that there, save it, and go build, and then run. That might be fine. Okay. Oh, I literally can't move. Okay. That one there, maybe. I just want to demonstrate what I'm talking about here. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But use a debugger. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go into something up here. Where is it? You need to go into some preferences or some crud like that. No, it's not in properties. It was just there on tools, program settings. Yep, that's what you need to do. Okay, tools, program settings. It's in here under. Can I just search it for debug? Flash debugger. What did I do? I don't remember now. That was bloody last night. I don't remember now anyway. Oh, that's a prick. Anyway, you need to put the debugger in here to make it your default app. I can help you with that later if you can't figure it out. It gives you error messages if things aren't working properly. It also means the traces, like all these traces are like little comments that come up when you play the game. If you're not on a debug version, they won't come up here, so it won't let you figure out what's working or what's not working. Also, when you load this, you need to set the preloader as document class, because that's the thing that needs to play first. Now in here, we'll just do it. Okay. So on the Cat Ninja files, I'll get a master. Come on, give me. Oh, I could have pressed that there. Yeah. So you want to download all the files. Inside game, you want to open this into FlashDevelop. You put the whole project file into FlashDevelop. In the source file, you want to replace these two with the ones I've written, because these two are flawed. They are flawed files. They do not work. You need to friggin' fix his stupid friggin' thing. Yeah, you just download these two and replace them with that. Hit build. You go hit build, and then run, and it's all hunky dory. Now the next step is to change the levels. So what we have here is the levels are being read from this zip file here, and so what I've done is I've done extract to levels, gone in here, changed the first one. Now I'm not game to change any widths or heights at the moment. I'm just focusing on tiles. Now the bitmap is actually referenced in map.as, I believe has the full thing. Yeah, case 39, case 40. This tells you what, this tells you what it is, gravity change and such. If you get lost, I have it on Python. I'll get to that in a second. I'll make another video on that in a second. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, what you'll do is you'll edit with Notepad++ or your preferred editor, because these new lines need to be intact naturally. You just change. Now the zeros, so it reads from left to right. So I didn't even have to do any guessing from where I put the shield shooters and such. So I just changed one of the zeros at the start to a shield shooter by going 67. 67. I could put more spikes at the start too by working my way backwards. It's funny because that actually roughly looks like the level. Oh my gosh, I'm so retarded at Cat Ninja, I can actually see the level in the numbers. That is actually messed up as hell. Anyway. Oh, I want to test if some other physics objects work. What else do we have? We've got, I wanted to see if... Can we put a jetpack there? Oh, we can put a hallucinate there, 83. What if we put a hallucinate at the start? We'll go save that. In my encoding settings, I've just got UTF at 8 no bomb. That's just what ChatGPT told me to do. Select them all, add to archive, zip. ChatGPT said to use store, but I just tested normal just before and it worked, so then I can bring that out there, bring that out there. So I've just injected my own level into there. Press F8 to build the project. Now it's reading my new levels file. Run project. Play. Let's see if we get the voice. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. There we go. There we bloody go. I'll release another video in a second.